I'm going to make some corn millet muffins to go with my soup tonight. Well, my first step is to soak the millet. I have the kettle on. There's 2/3 of a cup of millet in here. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of boiling water and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I will rinse it with cold water. Looks like it's done. We'll add the 1/2 cup. And then we'll just let that sit. While the millet is soaking, I'm going to mix some of the dry ingredients. I have 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour. You can use white, regular, or rice flour. Rice flour works well. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll just mix that up. It's all mixed up. And I think the 5 minutes is pretty well up. So we're going to be rinsing the millet. Well, I've rinsed the millet in cold water, and I'm going to add that to our dry ingredients here. And you can add 3 eggs, or here I have flax eggs. So I have 3 tablespoons of flax mixed with 2/3 a cup of water for this recipe. And they have been sitting for 15 minutes. I'm going to add that. Then the last ingredient is yogurt. You can use soy yogurt. Don't use coconut yogurt because it'll give it a coconut taste. And it has a really strong taste. So you can use soy yogurt, or if you're not vegan, regular yogurt, or you can use 3/4 of a cup of milk mixed with some lemon juice or vinegar to make like a buttermilk. I'm going to add that to the ingredients. And I'm going to stir it up. All mixed up. There are some options. You can add some chopped olives or different things to it. I just kind of make it plain. And the batter freezes really well because I don't always use it all. Sometimes I just make a few and then freeze the batter for another time. The oven is preheating at 350, and I've greased the pan already, and you cook them for 20 minutes. So there's the batter there. I forgot to add one ingredient. I forgot to add the 1/2 cup of olive oil. Okay. Now, I'm going to put some in the pan. I'm just going to make 4, and I'm going to freeze the rest of the batter. There we go. The oven's already ready, so we're going to pop them in. Put the timer on for 20 minutes. Now it's just a waiting game. I have a corn millet muffin. Very good.